Look, your phone, it's great. It does so many different things, but this form factor, well, this is all it really is. And so I'm always on the lookout for how to maximize a device like this. And so when RayNeo reached out, asked to sponsor this video and send over their new RayNeo Air 4 Pro, well, I was intrigued, but I was skeptical as well because there's many different products out there that are trying to do similar things to this. I've tried some of them and many of them are actually quite good, but I think what's unique here is that RayNeo has three things that really set this apart. But what it's doing is much more simple and streamlined than some of the other devices out there. And in turn, that means this actually does it better and it's much more useful, at least I've found. So let me show you. Okay, so if you haven't heard of RayNeo, this is their latest pair of AR glasses. And so when you look at these, they look like a pretty traditional pair of glasses, but in them they have screens, there's speakers, you can connect over USB-C. There's a lot packed into this. And with this latest version, the Air 4 Pro, well, there's three things that really stand out about them and really set them above the rest. Now up front, like I said, this is a pretty simple product. So this right here, this is it. You get the small, nice case, and inside you've got the glasses themselves and a USB cable, and that is all you need. The big thing here though is the display that's built in to the glasses themselves, because when you put them on, that is what you're going to be looking at. And what makes the Air 4 Pro stand out compared to the competition is the display, because this is in a league of its own in what I've tried at least. The screen is, I think, the standout feature, especially compared to other products like this. And the big thing here is that this is the world's first pair of AR glasses like this that are able to support HDR10 content. RayNeo partnered with Pixelworks to develop the Vision 4000 chip, which this is using. And so this can display 10.7 billion colors, which compared to the competition, which doesn't have the support, is way more color representation. Typically, you're looking at the 16.7 million color range. This is in the billions. And really what you can expect here is that you're getting better highlights, you're getting better shadows, and you're getting better colors. Put all those together in the display, it just looks great. It's really hard to film the screen and actually show you this, but this is kind of like a demonstration of what the difference is between SDR and HDR. But what I can say is that after using many different types of glasses like this, these have the brightest display I've ever used, which make them really useful in pretty much every situation. For instance, it has AI SDR to HDR conversion, so whatever you're watching should be HDR compatible. This is using the latest generation of micro OLED tandem displays. There's over 1200 nits of brightness. You've got individually calibrated colors, and this is using the latest HuView 2.0 technology, and this is a optical coating that's giving you 30% better visual purity, and you can really tell. And there's a 200,000 to 1 contrast ratio. It's 98% of the DCI-P3 color space. When it comes to the displays, this is really the reason for me to use them. And I use them for a bunch of different things, like of course, watching content. The way this works is super simple. You just take the USB cable that plugs into the glasses and you plug them into your device. It could be your phone, it could be your laptop or tablet, and it just simply mirrors the display. It's very simple, like I mentioned. But because of that simplicity, well, it is really easy to use. There's no batteries built into the glasses themselves. You have nothing to charge. You just power it through the device you're using. And so if I'm plugging it into my phone, well, I can watch content, I can scroll, I can do really everything I'm used to just with a bigger display in front of me. Or if I'm traveling or lounging and I just want to watch a movie on the big screen, well, I can do that here, and there's a cover that actually blacks everything out so I get even better visuals. For the more simple, laid-back experience, this thing really does work well. I think where something like this really excels though is like a coffee shop. I got my 13-inch MacBook Air here, but if I wanted to do just more work easier so I could see the screen better, that's where something like this is really coming in handy, because you just plug it right in and it works. Now, you know, this is kind of a simulated idea of what this looks like for me. I can't show you exactly, but I'm getting a much bigger screen. It's super bright and it's private also. So if I didn't want anyone to see what's going on my screen, maybe I'm working on confidential documents or, you know, something like that. Well, that's where this comes in handy. But my favorite part is that because it's so small and that it fits in my backpack, I'm more likely to actually take it with me. Whereas, you know, for example, I use my Vision Pro like this a lot all the time, but when I bring it to a coffee shop, it's a whole thing. I gotta, you know, carry it with me. I gotta open it up. Everyone's looking at you. Whereas this, when you put them on, honestly, kind of just looks like a regular pair of glasses at first glance. Obviously, if you look at me, you can tell I'm wearing something different, but for the most part, this just really blends in a lot easier, but I'm being more productive at the same time. And I be aware of my surroundings. It really does work quite well. So yeah, the displays really are excellent, and it means that you can use them for real things like work, but also just enjoying your content. But another part of that is the audio system. This has a custom quad speaker array that is co-tuned with Bang and Olufsen. And there's different modes you can choose from in this audio system. So like you have a standard mode, which is great and balanced for pretty much any situation. There's a whisper mode, so if you want more privacy, well, that will work there. But my favorite is the surround sound mode, which gives you that more immersive quality, which when paired with the display really does give you that, theater experience, even though there's just a pair of glasses. Now, because of those tandem displays, well, this works with 3D images as well. And one really cool thing is that you can actually convert 2D images to 3D images. So when you download the RayNeo app, you can actually go through your entire photo album and convert these images. It actually does a pretty decent job at this. Again, it's pretty much impossible for me to show you what this looks like, but it does work really well. Plus, you can watch 3D videos as well. So that tandem display is really coming in handy. But with that, I think one issue many people are worried about with glasses like this is eye strain and eye health. And well, RayNeo, knows this and wanted to kind of protect against it. So there's actually an eye protection mode built in that you can turn on if you want. But in my use case, really, there was no like fatigue or anything. It looks like you're just looking at a display out in the distance. And so, that wasn't really an issue. Although I will say, if you have the brightness all the way up or all those things, you may want to adjust the settings just, for your preferences, but they thought of that and built everything in. Now, besides this version I have here, RayNeo has also launched a Batman collaboration. So they have a special edition version. And if you want to pick that up, there's early bird pricing right now. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can check that one out. And the one I have here, just the standard version. If you're looking for just a pretty, affordable, around $250 pair of smart glasses that give you a great display with great audio that you can just plug in and use. There's no special software that you have to use or anything like that. Super simple, but effective. This is probably the first place I'd look. This is the perfect example of just do a few things, but do them really well. And I'm glad I actually have these. These are staying in my bag.